Hi, this is attorney Andrea Witt.
And I'm attorney Stephen Spano with a Legal and Financial Minute or two.
This is the fourth episode about Medicare open enrollment for 2023 in Massachusetts. Open enrollment runs from October 15th through December 7th of 2022, unless you currently have a Medicare Advantage plan, in which case your open enrollment period runs from January 1st to March 31st of 2023.
This episode will review Medicare Part D, which is voluntary outpatient prescription drug coverage. Medicare Part D, like Medigap plans and Medicare Advantage plans, is provided by private insurance companies. Medicare Part D prescription plans and Medicare Advantage plans can actually have their premiums deducted from your monthly Social Security check so that you can save the monthly postage costs of 60 cents for each bill, as well as the aggravation of sending in the monthly payments.
If you are eligible for Medicare and do not have an existing prescription drug plan that is as good as what Medicare provides, Medicare calls that creditable coverage, then purchasing a Medicare Part D prescription plan is an excellent investment, even if you don't take medications.
The reason is because Medicare imposes a penalty if you're eligible for Medicare, you don't have creditable coverage, and don't have a Medicare Part D plan. The penalty can be very steep and it adds up quickly. So, if you don't take any prescriptions, you should still purchase the least expensive plan just to avoid future penalties.
Let's use an example. Say that you became eligible for Medicare at age 65, had no creditable coverage, did not take any medications, and so you decided not to enroll in a Medicare Part D plan. It's now 5 years later, and you require some significant medications and decide to enroll in Medicare Part D.
You discover that the least expensive plan, which happens to be the plan I have, is only $6.80 per month. Wow, you saved 5 years or 60 months of premiums, and now you only have to pay $6.80 a month? You're pretty happy, because if you had been paying that $6.80 a month over the past 5 years, you would have spent a total of $408 on Medicare Part D premiums.
Don't be too happy. Remember the penalty? The penalty is calculated by multiplying 1% of the national base beneficiary premium times the number of full uncovered months you didn't have the creditable coverage or Medicare Part D. That is 1% times 60 months, or a 60% penalty.
Now, you may be thinking that it's still not so bad, because 60% of the $6.80 premium is only $4.08, and when you add them up, you're still only paying $10.84 with the penalty. But unfortunately, that's not the case.
That's right. The penalty is 1% of the national base beneficiary premium, not your specific premium. The national base beneficiary premium is actually $32.74 for 2023, so that 60% of that amount results in a penalty of $19.64, which gets rounded to $19.60, and when added to the $6.80 premium, adds up to $26.40 per month.
Yikes, I was confused. That $408 you saved over the last 5 years by not having creditable coverage or Medicare Part D will be eaten up in just 21 months. That's less than 2 years. Then you're in the red for the rest of your life.
And that is why purchasing a Medicare Part D plan is an excellent investment if you do not have creditable coverage.
Join us for our next and our final episode on the Medicare open enrollment for 2023, when we sum up your choices and give you some tips.
Remember, all lawyers and law firms are not the same. Seek out an expert law firm to protect you and your family.
We hope this legal and financial minute or two has helped you and those you love to protect your health, your assets, your income, and preserve your way of life.
If you have something you would like us to address in one of our segments, or have any questions on this or another legal or financial topic, feel free to call or text Spano, DeWicki, and Witt at 781-231-7800, or email us at help@spanodewicki.com.